Thanks so much for staying with us. Now we continue to see stability. We continue to see stable conditions across the Caribbean this evening. Very little cloud. We do have strong winds still blowing through the southern portion of the basin. We also have an increase in wind speed across sections of the northern portion of the basin as well. There are some clouds converging across the Greater Antilles, but we don't have any significant shower or thunderstorm activity. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies. Temperatures are expected to drop to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston, to 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. And tonight on both coasts, we have southeasterly to east-southeasterly winds averaging 10 knots. The forecast for tomorrow morning is for generally sunny skies across the area. There are some clouds expected mainly across sections of inland areas of eastern parishes. For the afternoon, partly cloudy conditions are likely across inland areas with generally sunny conditions across the coasts and highs of 31 degrees Celsius. Now the breakdown, expected to be partly cloudy for most of the southeast tomorrow. We do have some generally sunny conditions and strong winds across sections of the southwest in Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. Partly cloudy skies are likely in the afternoon in Lucy, in Montego Bay and in Falmouth. Now partly cloudy conditions extend into the north. That's in Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ochias, as well as Port Maria, Port Antonio. We do have some clouds likely in the afternoon to develop across Golden Spring and Bog Walk, with similar conditions for Moco, Christiana, Grange Hill, Duncans, as well as Cave Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Partly cloudy conditions are likely across the area. On Monday, we do have isolated shower activity likely also. Similar conditions on Tuesday. For the marine forecast, east-northeasterlies are at 15 to 20 knots on the north coast tomorrow. Wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. For the south coast, winds are easterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And our small craft warning is in effect for offshore areas. The winds are between 20 and 25 knots. We do have wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. Winds are coming out of the east. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 13 past 6 in Mandeville and 16 minutes after 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.